Welcome back to my channel. If you would like to see how I created this Lazy Susan God Bless You wood sign, please stay tuned. So here is a list of the materials that you will need. I already placed the vinyl on the mat, securing it with tape since it's not adhering well. That's just me being lazy because I didn't clean my mats, but the tape is working fine. With the Cricut machine done, it's time to weed the vinyl. So first I'm going to use the brayer to help press down the vinyl and make sure there's no bubbles. And I am doing reverse weeding, and I'm using my Cricut weeder to weed the vinyl. Make sure you weld your design, because as you can see, I did not weld my design, so the letters are not combined into a single cut. So I'm weeding them individually, which is making the process more time consuming. Now that I've completed the weeding process, I'm going to apply transfer tape over the vinyl design. You want to be careful when you use your transfer tape. You want to make sure you're getting it straight and nice and clean and flat. And next I'm going to smooth it out with the brayer as I go. Next, position the vinyl design onto the wood, and I'm relying on my own judgment to ensure that it is aligning perfectly. And then I'm going to use my brayer to secure the vinyl onto the wood. So next you want to carefully remove the transfer tape. Now on to the painting step. I highly recommend using these foam brushes from Amazon. I prefer using Waverly paint in Snow White. And you have the option of either applying polyacrylic or using the paint to press it in. So for this project, I will be sticking with the white paint. And when you get ready to paint, make sure that you dab a small amount for the first coat. You don't want to apply too much paint because it may bleed through, so you want to dab. Take your time and just dab a little bit at a time. Letting the paint dry for some time, I'm moving on to applying polyurethane. And I like to use polyurethane because it serves as a protective seal for the wood. So using a paintbrush, I begin with the back of the wood, ensuring an even coverage. And you want to go back and forth. And after that, I will let it dry. And then I flip it over and repeat the same process on the painted side. Dealing with polyurethane, it is important to be in a well-ventilated space or outdoors, as inhaling it can be harmful. So make sure you use proper ventilation. To turn this into a Lazy Susan wood sign, you have to use a bracket. So I'm going to position it at the wood center, and then I'm going to take my DeWalt drill to secure the screws into place. Here is the finished product. Hope you guys enjoyed this. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to my channel.